Welcome to Let's Take a Prayers. Please, if today is your first time on visiting our channel, kindly leave us really subscribe so that we all enjoy more tricky and exciting questions together. Once again, now let's come to our main question. We are having 25 exponent 5 minus 25, and we have to simplify this without using a calculator. Okay, so it's straightforward. 25 exponent 5, we can express it as 25 exponent 4 plus 1 minus 25. This now is equal to this one. We can also say that in algebra 25 exponent 4 multiplied by 25 exponent 1, which is minus 25. Like this. Okay. Now we have 25 here, 25 there. So we can simplify this to be 25 outside into brackets. 25 exponent 4 minus 1 like this. Okay. Now 25 we can express it as 25 can be expressed as 5 exponent 2. So we are going to get 25 into bracket 5 squared, then exponent 4 minus 1 bracket close like this. Okay, with this we have 5 times 5 is 25, so 5 remainder of 2. 5 times 2 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. So 12 carry 1. 5 times 6 is 30. 5 times 6 is 30. 30 plus 1 is 31 minus 1. Now, with this, you can also say that everything here is equal to 5 with brackets. Now we have to sum up all this. So 5 plus 0 plus 0, I'm getting 5. 2 plus 0 plus 0 is 2. 1 plus 5, which is 6 plus 0. Then 3 plus 2, which is 5 plus 5, which is 10. Get 0, no, 1. 1 plus 7 is 8 plus 1, which is 9. So now, then our 3. Okay. This what we are getting minus 1. So which is equal to 25 into bracket 39,625 minus 1. We are getting 39,624. Okay. So now from here we can also express 25 as 20 plus 5 into bracket, then multiply by 9,624. This. Now it's equal to 20 multiplied by 390,624 plus 5 multiplied by 390,624. Like this. So 0 multiplied by this, we are getting 0. 2 multiplied by 4 is 8. 2 multiplied by 2, we are getting 4. 2 multiplied by 6 is 12. So 2 remainder 1 here. 2 times 0 is 0 plus 1. It's 1. 2 times 9, we are getting 18. So 8 remainder of 1. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1, which is 7. Plus, now, 5 times 4, we are getting 20. So, 0, remember 2. 5 times 2 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. So 2 and then 1 here. 6 times 5 is 30. Plus 1 is 31. So 1, remainder of 3. 5 times 0 is 0 plus 3. So we get 3 here. 5 times 9 is 45. So 5, remainder of 4. 5 times 3 is 15. 15 plus 4 is 19. So we have this, which is equal to, now we have to add these two digits together. So you have 0 plus 0, we are getting 0. 2 plus 8 is 10. So 0, remainder of 1. 1 plus 4 is 5 plus 1, which is 6. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 1, I'm getting 6. 9 plus 8 is 17. So 7, remainder of 1. 1 plus 7 is 8 plus 1, which is 9. So this is our answer for the question. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tricky and excited questions. Bye-bye.